Rob Tiopira, te kai whakahaere o Te Manawa Tūhoe. Manawa Tūhoe is the larger landmass that was withdrawn from the Tūhoe Waiōhau Trust Board. And since its inception 2 years ago, it's developed into a primary business representing dairy farming, dry stock, and an array of forestry operations. Waiōhau is a block that was under Crown Forest Rental Trust, and that's been handed back, and it was handed back re-established. So there's a large estate in the Waiōhau valley that the trees are at varying age classes, but we own the land and the trees on behalf of our shareholders, and we're just looking at where we can go to enhance that for the future. But it's a huge brute there for the future operations of Te Manawa Tūhoe. It has a lot of potential. We also engage our own whānau in regards to forest security. So we've engaged the ahika from Ōwhakatoro to do the forest security throughout the Tūhoe forest. We're expanding them into Waiōhau. We're looking at matahi, and we're working with timberlands to look at kaingaroa. Yeah. The training component for all of our security components there, what we enhanced there was level 2, level 3, level 4 national certificates in security, as well as safety management, STMS, safety traffic management control. And the reason we got that is it gives them a variety of skill base. So we're not locked into security only, we can do traffic control for operations associated with forestry. Yeah. So training is a huge component regardless of where we are, whether it's on anything to do with the forestry, with work safe, health and safety. It's critical that we have the right component. So all of our people are trained, and we have a level called module for task, and that's the bare minimum that we expect everyone to be at.